What's up, Dawn Nation? What if in the next, how long is this? Hold on. 2 minutes and 45 seconds, you can learn how to make a sound like this. But I swear to you that I'm not going to teach you. Au5's going to teach you. Let's go.
Ultimately, it's just serum and harmor and a little bit of operator. So this sound, that's just the serum part of it, but this massive, massive processing chain, this is all the stuff that's on here. It's a sound from Razer. Basically just a blaster. If you use the remap warp mode and set it to flat 0 as the curve, this is like a reverse sync. You can stretch out the wave, and it's almost like a formant detuner. I am using this LFO to basically change the sync pitch of it, but it also has the sweep down that I modulated. So it's like sub, and that is creating the triplet bass. This is a thing that I imported called stereo blue noise. It's white noise that's amplitude modulated to C0, so I can use it as a pitch function. So it's basically like gritty tonal noise. This. Set to retrigger mode, enhancing the highs, making it grittier with the overdrive. Some more EQing. The auto pan is crucial. Glue compressor to kind of fill in the gaps of the auto pan. Multi-band saturator. I'm not gonna go through everything, but it's just like, just compressing it even more and more and more. And like some EQ, I just didn't stop. Bandpass filtered square wave with operator and then harmor. To add even more of that stuff. And what I did with this is start out with the square wave, randomize the partials, add some unison hertz detuning, pretty much just for panning. Set the phaser mode to deeper and set it to hertz mode. On octave mode, it sounds like this. And what I did was just set the speed just slightly up. The rising up sound is really just coming from the width. So that's a cool way to make rising elements like that. To top it all off, I even added another Reese. Without warp, it's just... I warped it and then transposed it up and then used texture mode. I just wanted to sound like a plasma engine of a spaceship just powering up or something.
This is a small snippet from Au5's Awaken walkthrough over on his YouTube channel. So if you want to check that out, there is a link in the description. And also, there is a free download link to the Awaken mini sample pack. That's right, you can actually have the sounds that are inside of Awaken. Link in the description. Go click it right now.